Every AI company claims they have built the smartest assistant ever. OpenAI says ChatGPT is changing how we work. Google believes Gemini is the future of search. Anthropic promises Claude is the safest and most thoughtful AI. Elon Musk says Grok is different from everything else. And Perplexity is trying to reinvent how we find information online. But here's the real question. If you could choose only one AI assistant in 2026, which one should it be? Today, we're comparing the 5 biggest AI assistants across writing, research, coding, reasoning, speed, creativity, and overall usefulness to find out which one truly deserves the crown. Let's begin. The AI revolution. Just a few years ago, AI assistants could barely answer simple questions. Today, they can write essays, generate code, summarize books, analyze images, help students study, create business plans, and even act like personal tutors. What used to take hours can now take minutes, but not every AI is built for the same purpose. Some are incredible researchers, others are coding experts, and a few try to do everything. So let's meet the contenders. First is ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT has become the most recognized AI assistant in the world. Its biggest strength is versatility. Whether you're writing emails, learning mathematics, planning a vacation, generating business ideas, or solving programming problems, ChatGPT performs consistently well. Its conversations feel natural, and it remembers context during chats, making it feel more like talking to a person than using a search engine. It also supports image understanding, document analysis, voice conversations, and advanced reasoning. For most people, ChatGPT is the AI that simply does almost everything well, but it isn't perfect. Sometimes it can be overly confident or require follow-up prompts to produce exactly what you want. Still, it's one of the strongest all-around assistants available. Gemini. Next comes Gemini. Google's AI has one major advantage. It lives inside Google's enormous ecosystem. Gemini works naturally with Gmail, Docs, Maps, Drive, YouTube, and Search, making it especially useful for people who already rely on Google every day. Its understanding of images, videos, and real-world information has improved dramatically. Students, researchers, and professionals often appreciate how easily Gemini connects information across different Google services. Where it sometimes struggles is consistency. Depending on the task, responses may vary more than some competitors. Even so, Gemini is one of the most capable AI assistants available today. Claude. Built by Anthropic, Claude has earned a reputation for thoughtful, detailed responses. If you ask Claude to explain a difficult topic, summarize a long report, or improve a piece of writing, it often delivers exceptionally clear and well-structured answers. Many writers, analysts, and professionals appreciate Claude's calm writing style and its ability to work with lengthy documents. Rather than giving flashy responses, Claude focuses on clarity and careful reasoning. Its biggest limitation is that it doesn't always have the same level of ecosystem integration or feature breadth as some competitors. But when it comes to long-form writing and analysis, Claude is among the very best. Grok now. Let's talk about Grok. Created by xAI, Grok has developed a personality unlike any other AI assistant. It often responds with humor, confidence, and a more conversational tone. Its integration with X allows it to surface discussions and trending information in ways that make it feel connected to what's happening online. People who enjoy current events and informal conversations often find Grok entertaining and engaging. However, personality alone isn't enough. For technical writing, detailed research, and complex projects, Grok may not always be the strongest option compared with the leaders in this comparison. Still, its unique style gives it a place in the AI landscape. Finally, there's Perplexity. Unlike traditional chatbots, Perplexity focuses on one thing above all else: finding reliable information. Instead of simply generating answers, it often provides sources, making it easier to verify where information comes from. For researchers, journalists, students, and anyone who values transparency, this is a huge advantage. It feels less like chatting with an assistant and more like having an incredibly intelligent research partner. The trade-off is that it isn't designed to replace every other AI assistant. Its greatest strength is helping you discover accurate information quickly. So, who wins? Each AI dominates a different category. If your priority is research and citations, Perplexity stands out. If you live inside Google's ecosystem, Gemini is an excellent choice. If you spend your day writing reports or analyzing documents, Claude is incredibly impressive. If you enjoy personality and real-time conversations, Grok offers something different. But if you're looking for one assistant that consistently performs well across writing, coding, creativity, reasoning, education, productivity, and everyday tasks, one name continues to rise above the rest: ChatGPT. It isn't perfect. No AI is, but its balance of features, reliability, multimodal capabilities, and broad usefulness makes it the most complete AI assistant in 2026. The AI race is moving faster than almost anyone expected. Every few months, these assistants become smarter, faster, and more capable. The winner today may not be the winner next year. Competition between OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, XAI, and Perplexity is pushing AI forward at an incredible pace, and ultimately, that's good news for all of us. So here's the question for you. Which AI assistant do you use the most? ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, or Perplexity? Let us know in the comments below.